Testing. Can you hear me now? Testing, testing. Can you hear me now? Thank you. I appreciate you letting me know that. What's the win rate percent on the bot? It depends on which algorithm you're talking about, Ron. We have 9 different algorithms, 50 different set strategies. So, sorry, I had my microphone plugged into the wrong computer. Some of them are 60% win rate, others are 95% win rate. But they're all profitable in the long run, so it really doesn't matter what the win rate percentage is, if you follow me. I can't believe I didn't have my mic plugged into the right computer. You guys are troopers, man. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for being here. So, my name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. I do go live Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern Time, showing you BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. Let's look at some Big Bang action that's in a trade. This is NQ Big Bang. It's in a short green, $440 right now. It's one of the premium algorithms. I gave a manual alert, but this is just running down now. We might have missed it. That's okay. $250 for the first 2 weeks of box seats, $1,000 a month after that. If you want the premium alerts, it's $100 for the first week, $500 a month after that. For the premium alert, in February, we gave out over, I think, 1,300 points worth of alerts. So 1,300 times 20, that's how much it could have made. Is this NQ? Yes, this is NQ on 325, correct. Who 411, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. Let's see. This is going to drop me over to that, so we're going to go ahead and drop it. We're going to update this alert here. We're going to drop it on down to there. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, till your fingers turn green. Help me help you help others. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. NQ's really just dropping here. We're in a $1,200 short on Big Bang. My premium alert might not get to come into play. We would need a pullback. Pretty significant pullback. We'll see if it bounces on the PP here. If you wanted to take a quick scalp on the PP around 20,770, take a long for 4 or 5 points, you might be able to do that. Probably a lot of buy orders sitting there, but you got to be careful. It is in a downward trend, pushing pretty hard. Not a lot of buyers in sight, so you don't want to go against the trend. The trend is your friend. That's what they say. If it can get below 20,760, that would make a new low of the day. So we'll see how low it can go. How low can it go? How low? Faye, thank you for the little tulips. Appreciate you. How are you today? Dr. Tom, welcome in. Jay Evans, Amit, JTG Gaming, welcome. $1,500 on this short on NQ Big Bang. And away she goes, folks. away she goes. If you wanted, man, if you were in a short, you'd be making that money. It just now broke the previous low of the day, so now a new low on the day. How far will it go down? Who knows? Could go all the way down here to 20,600. The lows from Friday or whatever. What's that? 20,500? I hope everybody's having a wonderful Monday morning, afternoon, day altogether. I made my money this morning, but then my manual alerts did not work out. So I'm kind of upset because people depend on those to be reliable. And, you know, even though we've given out over 1,500 points in February, March is not starting out too good today. So 0 for 2. But we'll see. We might have a chance to make it up. Just need one good trade. This would have been a good one if you got in short at 20,860. Francisco, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. How much balance do you need? If you're going to do a cash account, you would need at least $3,000 to run the micro strategy. That's what I would recommend starting with. No less than that in a cash account. Otherwise, you could use prop firms. I do have affiliate codes with Apex and Tradeify. You can look those up in my link tree through my TikTok profile or use the code SWAGSHOW at Apex. And let me type that in the chat. Apex code is SWAGSHOW. Apex code SWAGSHOW. Man, this thing just dropped 100 points. Just dropped like 120 points in this 15-minute candle, guys. $250 for the first 2 weeks of box seats, $1,000 a month after that. $1,500 a month for the premium algorithms like NQ Big Bang, which you're watching right now over on the TikTok and YouTube screen. $2,300 short. Or if you want the premium alerts, it's $100 for the first week, $500 a month after that. Email me, boldbotinfo@gmail.com. Let me know if you are interested in signing up. And if you want to learn how to manually trade, let us know that as well. We've got a digital mentorship course that we could teach you how to manually trade. Hold on. Oh, I had to grab my drink. Had to grab my drink here. Amit, Rico, Ra, Stephen, Jay Evans, welcome in. Good afternoon. How are you? I hope everybody's having a magnificent Money Monday. Looking for a pullback to 20,766 here. And then we will go short. There's your free premium alert of the day. Don't say I didn't give you nothing. Hopefully it works out here. We need a big win here. We need a pullback here and a big drop after that pullback. So let's see if we can get it here. There's just really no buyers that I see stepping in to help our cause out, but just continuing to drop that base. Yeah, I mean, if you want to just hit the sell button and watch it drop, you're making money right now. Oh, man. This is the time that I'm really upset I don't have my cash account live and active. Oh, good Lord. I could have made so much money right now. So how does the bot run? Is it manually done or is it by you, or is it consistently running? Ron, so you turn it on at night before you go to bed, and you enable the strategies that you want to run for the next day, and then you just let it do its thing. You don't have to manually intervene at all if you don't want to. Now, if I wanted to move the stop loss and lock in more profit, like what you're watching on this $2,800 short, I can most definitely move the stop loss and lock in as much as I want. But if it pulls back, it will trigger a take profit at some point. It will not pull all the way back to where that stop loss is at. But there is a drawdown built into this particular strategy. Some of them just have built-in take profits. Others have trailing take profits like the one you're watching right now and like Santa. So they're all kind of different. But yeah, you don't have to really do anything but enable it the night before you go to bed. I hope that answers your question. All right, let's get a little pullback here and let us get into this short. Roxman, Caleb, Andrew, Colton, Roy, Clinton, welcome in. How you guys doing today? Good afternoon. Carlos, welcome in. We need to pull back to 20,766 so we can get into a short here. Do you have one chart with the strategy running on CopyTrader? Yeah. So I use Replicanto. I have an affiliate code with them. It's on the screen. Click my link tree. Use the code BoldBot20 if you want a good CopyTrader. That's what I recommend. Brought to you by Flowbots. That is Replicanto. I copy trade all of my strategies through that. And then I can switch it over to micros if I need to on some accounts, or minis, and change the sizing. But yeah, that's what I use. At most, I had 15 PA accounts running at one time before my divorce, and my lawyer told me I had to lose those. And now I'm slowly building back up, but I'm going through some other stuff where my other lawyer told me I have to not show any proof of income right now. Anyway, is there a reason you don't run the strategy on all the accounts? Yeah, just diversification. I don't want to take a loss across all of them if it loses. That's, the main reason is you want to diversify your portfolio. You basically don't want to put all your eggs into one basket. Because, yeah, this is great that it's in a $2,200 short, but what if it took 3 losses in a row, Would you want that across all your accounts? No, you want it across, let's say you had 10 accounts. You could put it on like 3 or 4 of your accounts if you wanted to. Something like that. You just got to diversify, especially when there's so many algorithms to choose from. You could literally run 3 or 4 different game plans depending on the amount of accounts you have. But yeah. Hey, Bobby, man, I appreciate that. Thank you for the words of encouragement. It's definitely a rough road, especially when you got kids involved. So we're trying to make it. Actually, I'm going through a bankruptcy case right now. That's why I can't have a cash account, because the divorce basically took everything from me, and I'm starting from scratch. So that's why I'm here with you guys, just trying to help you, help me, help others. We're all going to get through this together. I'm here for you. I'm trying to help everybody make money. Once this gets finalized, I can have a cash account again, and then we can really start making some money. Yeah, I'm trying, man. I'm trying with her. It's tough some days. Other days are better than others, but you know how that goes. All right, let's get this pullback a little bit up here to 20,766, and I will go short on my premium alert that I gave out. Remember, if you want access to the premium alerts, it's only $100 for the first week, and then $500 a month after that. So you can come join it. We gave out, I think, close to 1,500 last month, 1,500 points last month on premium alerts. Does BoldBot run martingale strategies? No. That's only for the roulette wheel or the blackjack table with an unlimited bankroll and unlimited table limits. That's the only way a martingale will be successful. How many losing months do you get on average a year? Honestly, there hasn't been a losing month. There's been a losing week for some of the strategies, but overall, month to month, the algorithms as a whole have not lost. They have had losing days and losing weeks, and if they have too many losing weeks, they will be put in timeout, and we tell you not to run them. So oh, are we gonna get this pullback or not? It's coming close, but we might be able to get this little move up here. It is 120, the green candle. It came within a few ticks, I think. Or a few points, whatever. Let's see. It's right. Put it right below the PP. It should maybe get it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll watch together. We'll see if this is going to come back and pull back and hit our entry point. Vicus, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. 2,200 now on this short. Queenie, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Are you currently looking to buy NQ at a certain price point? No, I'm looking to sell it. At 20,766, I have a limit order to sell. I'm just waiting for a pullback. What's the entry on this short? It is 20,849.5 is when this algorithm got into this short. On my premium alert that I just gave the channel, I gave the short to be if you can get in at 20,766, but we need a pullback to get into it. So it might, I don't know, it might pull back to it. You never know. I just hope it doesn't do a complete reversal and go back up. I hope it just pulls back to my entry and then drops. That's the key, right? That's what we're hoping for. No news or nothing going on. Kind of slow. After that big drop, we're just going to consolidate here a little bit, but we would like a little pullback. Need a little pullback here, a little 30-point pullback. Might not get it, but you never know. Anyway, it's $250 for the box seats algorithm for the first 2 weeks. And then $1,000 a month after that. Email me at boldbotinfo@gmail.com. I'll send you the link. Otherwise, you can learn the manual trade by taking Lauren's digital mentorship. Get access to the premium alerts for $100 for the first week, $500 a month after that. Or if you want the premium algorithms, it's $1,500 a month. So the one you're watching right now, Big Bang, is one of the premium algorithms. Just going to consolidate after that big drop now. Going to try and see if there's any more sellers or if the buyers are going to step in here, what's going to go on. TJR, welcome in. Hello, hello. Good afternoon. Are you in a trade right now or just waiting? Joe P, so I'm done for the day already. All my trades were done by 10 o'clock this morning for my personal accounts. I do run the algorithms on simulation accounts for streaming purposes, but today all my accounts are already done. But I did give a premium alert in the group to go short at 20,766, and we're almost there, so we'll see if that works out. We're real close to maybe getting in it here. We'll see. We're 6 points away, 4 points, 3 points, and now we're in the short. In short. Let's drop here. Let's root for a big drop here. We need a big win here, guys. We need a big win. There's 10 points. There's 23 points, 24 points. There's the 27 points, guys. 27 points. I hope you guys trailed me on this. I really do. I hope you trailed me and you're making some money here. There's 28 points of profit right there, guys, that I'm giving you for free live on the stream. If you would have just listened, I'm making you money. Keep tapping that screen. I'm trying to pump you up here. Did you listen? Did anybody listen and take this trade? I tried to tell you. Let's go. Come on, guys. Pump me up here. Give me something. Give me some signs of life. Tap the screen. Do something. Put it in the chat. I just gave you 28 points worth of profit. 29. Almost. There's 30. 30 points of profit right now. Let's go. 30 points. We're green 30 points on this trade. That means I'm going to move my stop loss to lock in 10 points here. Actually, that's 12. I need to do 10. All right, 10 points of profit here. I'm going to lock in 10 points of profit. You guys move your stop loss wherever you want. But for the purposes of the alert, I trail it at my own type of system. But you guys take profit as much or as little as you need to here. But I just gave you a 30-point move if you could capture that here, folks. I love you guys so much. I want everybody to be successful and make money here. And this only cost you guys $100 for the first week and then $500 a month after that. There's 45 points, guys. I just saw it hit 45 freaking points. Plus 45 points on this drop, which means I lock in 20 points of profit, so that needs to drop to 46 on my entry. I'm going to move it to 47. I find the whole number there on my This is amazing here, guys. If you got in with me at 20,766, you just hit 60 points of profit here. Plus 60 points. That means we move it to 30 points of profit, so we're going to move this down to 36. Woo! Let's go. Keep tapping that screen until your fingers turn green. Hit my target, so I'm good. There you go, man. That's what it's all about, is swagging. You just got to stop when you're at your goal each day. I mean, yeah, I could keep trading, but on my Apex account, I'm not going to get paid out if I'm not consistent. So I got to stay within like 200 to 600 a day profit to be consistent. And I've done that for like 9 days in a row now. I'm up $11,000. There's 70 points of profit, guys. Oh, Jesus. Holy Mother Mary of every holy. There's 80. I can't even type it fast enough. It's dropping. I told you guys, just trust. Trust me. Trust me. All right, 80 points means we need 40 points. So actually, we're going to go 50 points of profit. So we're going to put this stop loss at 716. 50 points profit locked in. We're at 90 points here. Almost, that was 89. I saw 89. Did it reach 90? I think it reached 90. We're going to put 85 in the chat. 85 points green in this. Is this NASDAQ? Yes. What time frame? 5 minute. I'm looking at it on a 5 minute chart here, guys. You can see what you're watching is Big Bang NQ. It's one of the premium strategy algorithms, but I did give a premium alert out in the group to go short at 20,766, and we're green over 85 points if you're still in the trade. It was as green as like 86 or 87 points there. I saw at one point. All we needed was that one win right there, man. We needed that win. So 2 losses so far. But now we've got this big win here. What I risk, why does it say it's risking 400? Is that right? I don't know. I guess it is. Anyway. All right, we're locked in for 50 points of profit, I think, here. So not mad if it pulls back and stops us out, but you guys do your own thing here. QA Qualid, welcome to the Swagoners Mount Up. Will Galvin, welcome to the Swagoners Mount Up. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you guys. Happy freaking Monday, man. Merry Money Monday. Just gave out this premium alert live on air. It ran to 88 points at its high water mark. My stop losses moved to lock in 50 points of profit here. We're still green 66 right now. So trail at your own risk. Use an ATM strategy. Swag. Stop when you're at your goal. Make your money and be done for the day. If you got a big cash account, though, it doesn't really matter. You can just take as much profit as you want. There's no consistency rules, so you could trail it like me on your cash account if you want to. I try and help you guys as much as possible, man. I want you to be successful. I want you to make money. It doesn't cost you anything to follow me. Tap that screen, share it. If you do want access to the premium alerts, email me, boldbotinfo@gmail.com. $100 for the first week, $500 a month after that. But, guys, I just gave you an 88-point move. That would have paid for, 5 or 6 months, right? We're green freaking, what are we green here? $1,700 bucks. Emma Pascolo, welcome to the Swaggin' Edges Mount Up. 90 points now. 92 points I saw. We're putting it in the chat here. 90 points. Man, oh man, where is everybody at? All right, 90 points. Once it reaches 100, there's 108. I saw 108. We're going to lock in 60 points here. That would be 706. I'm moving my stop loss to. That's plus 108, I think, was the high water mark. Do 108 point move, guys. Are you serious right now? Move my stop loss to 20,706, locking in 60 points of profit. Yeah. 60 points locked in of profit. You could have locked in more if you had a tighter trail, but on these manual alerts, I like to let it breathe. So it reached 108 points, and I've locked in 60 points worth of profit to see if it can continue down. Because, yeah, we're already up on one mini contract, $1,700 right now at the 90. On the screen, what you're watching is Big Bang NQ, one of the premium strategy algorithms. It's up $3,600. But on my premium alert, I hope you guys took it. I told you to go short at 20,766, and you would have had over 100 points worth of move on this. It's so crazy. Keep fight. There you are. Welcome back, man. Where you been? Hope you've been making that money. I hope you've been making that money. Premium alerts are only $100 for the first week, guys. $500 a month after that. Just email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Let them know you saw it on the Swag Show. You want access to the premium alerts. I don't get nothing from it. I just want to help you guys make money. That way we can all make money together. $3,400 on Big Bang. Still green, 88, 89 points on this manual alert short that I gave out live on air. Keep tapping that screen. Let everybody know. Are premium alerts sent to us by text? Yeah, sort of. You can put Slack on your phone, Vicus. And you can set your notifications to notify you through the Slack app on your phone, and yeah. So then you can either get the mobile version or however you want to trade. If you could trade it through your phone or your laptop or your iPad, you just set that limit order as soon as I give it, and you're good to go. And then you just got to be able to move your stop loss or have an ATM set up. But yeah, capture as much profit as you want to. Right now, I saw 108 as the high water mark, 108 points, that is. So I have moved my stop loss to capture 60 points worth of profit. So that's $1,200 locked in. Is this not an auto trader strategy? What you're watching is Trader Dave, but what I'm talking about is the premium alert that I gave out. Yeah, what you're watching on the screen is NQ Big Bang. That is a premium strategy automated trading algorithm. But I'm hyped up right now and talking about the premium alert I gave out live on air for anybody that was in here about 10 minutes ago. I told you to go short at 20,766, and it ran 108 points in the green so far. I've locked in 60 points worth of profit, and we're just sitting here waiting to see if it's going to continue to drop. I'm trying to help everybody. You help me, I help you. You know what I mean? All you got to do is tap that screen. Give me a follow. Tell somebody you love. Tell your moms, dads, brothers and sisters, aunts, uncles, cousins, grandmas, grandpas, friends, whoever you know, your neighbors. The premium alerts are only $100 for the first week to try it out. $500 a month after that. And if you would have taken this trade, you'd be green right now, $1,800, $1,900. So that pays for basically 3 months worth of the premium alerts on one trade. So it's well worth the money. Trust me. In February we gave out over 1,500 points worth of movement on the premium alerts. So come join us. Come be a manual trader. Come make some money. Change your lives. You got to create your own destiny and fortune in this world. Grinding a normal 9 to 5, working for somebody else, it's just, it's never going to work out. You're never going to be independently wealthy or financially free. You got to have a side hustle. There's 105 points again, 108 points. There, all right. There's 110. 110 points now. We'll put that in the chat. I did see 110 points. So new high watermark, new low point on the day, and it's just continuing to drop. 110 points divided by 2 is 50. That's like 60 points. I've already locked in 60, so that'd be 120. So we're going to leave it there for now. I could move it up a little bit more and maybe capture 70 points worth of profit, but I think that'd be okay. So I'm going to move this to 700 even. Oh, 699. All right, I moved my stop loss to 699 even. That's 67 points worth of profit locked in. It's still just dropping. How can I get the bot? Just email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com if you want the premium algorithms. If you want the box seats, you can email me at BoldBotInfo@gmail.com. It is $250 for the first 2 weeks, $1,000 a month after that. Otherwise, the premium one, like you're seeing on the screen, is $1,500 a month. If you want access to the premium alerts, it's only $100 for the first week, $500 a month after that. Just email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Let them know you saw the swag show and you want access to the premium alerts. Like the one I just gave out about 10 minutes ago or so, however long ago it was. What time did I give that out? I gave that out at 1:24. It is 1:40, so 16 minutes ago. 16 minutes and you would have made $1,900 on one mini contract. Heck, even if you put it on 2 micros, you would have made $192 on 2 micros. So yeah, they are. Yep, they work with Apex rules. Yep. 100%. We've been doing it for years. The only thing you got to do is make sure you follow the consistency rule of making the same amount each day or pretty close within a few $100. Trader Dave, and you'll be okay. You'll get your payouts. But yeah, the risk to reward is within Apex's specifications. The time of hold on each trade is within it. So yeah, you'll be fine. Right now, I'm waiting on a payout from Apex because I have 13 or 14 days on my PA and I'm up like almost $12,000. And one of the days I did catch a big run and I was on a heavy size. I had 4 contracts and made like $3,000 on one trade. So I have to balance that out. They denied me a payout because they said improper risk management because I made so much in one trade. So now I got to be consistent in between 200 and 600 a day. So, all right. Trail hit. Trail hit. Trail hit. But that's okay. We just made 110 point move for everybody who took that premium alert. Who said they made it with me? Mindloft made up $545 on that trade. There you go. Yeah, if you're not consistent, it just takes longer because you have to average your total profit off. Exactly correct, Robert. Yep, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just trying to average my profit each day, make around 200 to 500 a day, and be done for the day. So I did that this morning with one trade. I made like $440, and I was done. Took the short pretty much right at the open, and it just kept dropping, and I made my money, and I was done. So we'll see. Hopefully tomorrow I can request a payout. I think that would be 8 days in between requests. I don't know what's going on with it, but we're still green $3,000 in this Big Bang NQ short. We have a version for ES as well. If you like to trade ES, it's green 1800, 1900 right now. Same algorithm, different strategy. So, do all the brokers have rules like that? Some of them, a lot of them, I'd say. Take Profit Trader, I think, might be the only one where you can actually withdraw every day once you meet your goal or your buffer. So let's say you had a $25,000 account. You need to make $1,500 to pass the eval, and then you make $1,500 once it's a live account, and then anything you make after that, you could technically withdraw like every day. But I don't think they have a consistency rule. I don't know if Tradeify straight to funded. I don't think they have. They might have a 20% consistency rule on that, but you just got to do your homework, read up on each one. But that's why kind of cash is king. If you can have a cash account, start with that. Build up a buffer in your cash account, and then use some of that money to get some of these prop firm accounts and just run the algorithms on micros and let it be the icing on the cake, so to speak. You know what I mean? That way you don't have to worry about trading. You just let the algorithms do it on micros for you and build up slowly on, 10, 20 accounts. That's a lot of money in the long run. But yeah, most of the prop firms do have some sort of consistency rule, so you just got to be careful. Read up, find out which one you like the best. I like Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Top Step. Those are the four that I've dealt with in the past and am dealing with now, and they seem to be the most consistent and reputable, so to speak. So just do your own homework, though. Read up on them, see what you think, because the prices are different on each one as well. So. Any questions about anything else? We've got about 7 minutes left today in the show. Hey, One Trick Pony, what's happening, man? Long time no see. Yeah, these premium alerts have been killing it. I'm just waiting on some bankruptcy personal stuff to finish up so I can finally get my cash account back and start trading. I would have been up like $12,000 in a cash account in February if I could have had it. I am up about 12,000 though on my 50K Apex PA, so waiting on a payout from them. But yeah, I'm good, man. How's everything going with you? Finally dialed in, finally locked in, finally my life has kind of calmed down a little bit. So, wow, look at this move back up here. That's a huge move. What time is it? 1:48. What in the heck? Is Trump speaking or something? Did Trump tweet? What is going on? Wow, look at that buyback right there. Look at that buyback. Bounce from, where'd that come from? 673 all the way up to 768. Is that like 100 and how much is that move? 73 to, that's almost a 100-point candle right there, guys. That's like a 90-point move right there on that candle. That's crazy. Does Tradeify pay daily? No. Tradeify is like every 10 days you can request a withdrawal. Liquidity sweep. Yeah, that was a huge, like 80, 90-point candle right there. Out of nowhere. Somebody must have had some big orders in. That's why it pays to sometimes have the level 2 or level 3 data on a DOM so you can see those orders come in, because holy shnikes, that was out of left field, right? That was somebody coming to play and sweep all those shorts. Good thing we were out of the trade already. Hey, what's up, man? How you been? I know who you are. I don't even have to click. Yep, that's who I thought it was. My old friend, Mr. Long and Short. We gave out, we just missed it. You just missed it. I gave out a 110-point short. I told everybody to go short at 20,766. 20,766. I told everybody to go short. It ran 110 points. Yeah, these markets are ridiculous. I mean, they're just up, down, but it's been in a downtrend here. I hope everybody made some money today. I hope everybody made their money and stopped. You got to swag. You got to stop when you're at your goal. Yeah. If you want access to the premium alerts, it's $100 for the first week, $500 a month after that. I just gave you basically a $2,000 trade on one mini contract. They're fire. Even though I'm only 1 for 3 today, the 2 losses are less than the 1 win if you let it run and captured most of the move. So yeah, every once in a while I do. If I'm in the mood and it nothing else is going on. I did today. It all depends on if it presents itself. Sometimes I will give it out on the live, yeah. I did give this one out. There are some people in the chat that I think took it with me and did make some money, so congratulations to those people. I'm happy I could help you. No. With the you have to either have an ATM strategy set up or move your stop loss manually according to how much profit you want to take. I have a certain way of doing it for the alerts. And I'll break it down real quick. When it gets to 20 points in the profit, I'll lock in 5 points. When it gets to 30, I'll lock in 10. When it gets to 40, I'll lock in 20. When it gets to 60, I'll lock in 30. When it goes to 80, I'll lock in 40. When it goes to 100, I'll lock in 50, and so on and so forth. So that's how I manually move my stop loss for the alerts. I give it plenty of room to breathe to try and capture as much as possible. And this last one I just gave out, it went to 110 points, and I captured 66 or 67 points worth of profit. So that's a lot, man. That's a lot of money. That's over $2,000 on if you captured, the high water mark of 110 points. Even still, what's 60 times 20? That's 1,200, right? That's $1,200. So I gave you $1,000 play today. Over $1,000 in profit if you would have just followed along and been here. But I'll be back tomorrow. Same bat time, same bat channel, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern time. If you guys want to join me, if you care to join me, I'll be here on TikTok and YouTube. Sorry, I keep covering up the YouTube. So how many losing? Okay, I already answered all those questions. All right, good to go. Good to go. Oh, no. Huge day today. Silver Knight was 1 for 1 for 250. NQ Knight 1 for 1 for 300. NQ Early 2 for 2 for 450. NQ Later didn't take any trades. ES New was 1 for 1 for 2750, and Gold was 1 for 1 for 500. Those are all the box seats, guys, that you can get for $250 for the first 2 weeks, and then $1,000 a month after that. If you add that up, that's $550, that's $1,000, that's $3,750 plus another $500. That's $4,250 today on one mini contract if you ran all of the box seats algorithms, guys. So if you want to get those at the discounted rate of $250 for the first 2 weeks, then $1,000 a month after that, email me, BoldBotInfo@gmail.com. I will respond to you. Otherwise, just email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Lauren will get right back with you. This trade is just continuing to go. A huge day on the algorithms, a huge day on the premium alerts. So yeah, I hope to give some more out tomorrow. If you want to come hang out with me, let me know. Or just show up. I'll be here. I ain't going nowhere right now. But yeah, just kind of consolidating here again. Kind of boring, but we are still in this $2,500 short. So come back tomorrow and see me 1 o'clock p.m. Eastern time tomorrow on TikTok and YouTube. Until then, have a great rest of your Monday. Tell somebody you love them. Give them a hug. Be kind. Be peaceful. Be respectful to everybody. I love you. I appreciate you. And I will see you mañana. All right? Adios. Take it easy.